Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to find email ID on which we have created our Instagram account. So it is simple and easy, so please watch the full video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open Instagram application, then tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner, and after that tap on these three lines in the upper right corner, and here tap on settings option. Once you tap on settings, then you should have to tap on account, and here you should have to tap on personal information, and here you will see email address as well as phone number, gender, birthday. So here you can see your email address on which you have created your Instagram account. So that's it. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.